might have heard the old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Meaning that I guess that even if you provide someone with an opportunity or all the best advice, you still cannot force them to take advantage of it, or even act. When you think of visiting an island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, maybe going horseback riding isn't the first thing that comes to mind, but it should be. See, today was Hunter and Ethan's last day on island, and we decided last minute to drive down to the Circle M Ranch and put that old proverb to the test. It was an overcast day. Neither of us had ever ridden a horse before, and we really didn't know what to expect. But we also really didn't care, because we didn't expect anything. It was just nice to be outside, spending our last day together, leading our horses to the water with endless views of the ocean and cliffs along the Waihee Valley Rim on what's known as the Aloha Trail. Hunter was already on his horse and headed out when we realized that we didn't need helmets, so we enjoyed cracking a few jokes at his expense on the way down. This used to be the old Mendes Ranch, located in the furthest corner of Wailuku, Maui. It was founded by the Mendes family, who immigrated from the Azores, Portugal, to Maui in 1886, as it became part of Hawaii's unique Paniolo culture.
On the other side of the mountain ridge, he took her for a ride on the Willow Creek Bridge. Said she could have any dream. He was quick talking with a silver tongue, tangled up in the lies he spun. She was swallowed up by greed.
It didn't take long for us to settle in with our horses as all of our worries washed away by the sound of our hooves galloping down the dirt trail. If you're ever wondering where the phrase needing to piss like a racehorse originated, well, now you know. One thing I learned here is that no matter what, if you lead a horse to salt water, not only will he not drink it, but he also might buck you off. Thankfully that didn't happen. Maui, once again, is making her case known on why she's one of the best Hawaiian islands you could ever visit if you need a proper escape.
Yeah.